In this video, I'll show you how to add a folder to the Squarespace navigation. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and below website, you want to choose the first option, which is pages. Now, once you click on pages, that will take you to your navigation menu. As you can see here on my main navigation and my not linked pages at the very top, you will find that if I hover my mouse on the menu, it will act as a folder for all the other menus I have in here. Now, in order for you to create a folder, head over to main navigation. On the right hand side, click on the plus sign to add a new page. Add a page will pop up. From here, head over to the left hand side and scroll down. And at the bottom, click on drop down. Now, once you click on drop down, as you can see here, it will be highlighted. This means you can add a name to it. So from here, let's say that this is our folder as an example. Now, what you can do within this folder is add your page. So at the bottom, I have here my not linked pages. Let's say I want to bring this up to the folder. So just simply hold that page and drag it in the middle of the folder or the drop down. Now, whenever we hover our mouse on the folder, as you can see, it will automatically show the page that we just added in here. And at the bottom, once we click on it, as you can see, it is also interactive. It will automatically take us to that page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.